Hey, 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 it's another rocking day. I'm out here on the bike, going for a nice ride. Yes, indeed. It's still cold out. I dropped my dB level down to -6B. I dropped my -6 dB gain level down. I dropped my gain level from -4 dB to -6 dB. I find it's still too loud in my editor. It almost peaks out above -12 dB all the time. Ooh, look, they did the lines over on the street for the bikes. And they're still walking, doing some things. I'm still not sure why I got my zoom on the 5D joystick when I'm supposed to have it move around. So what we're going to need to do is get out of the bike lane as the machine is working. Drawing the lines for the fish. I gotta stay off this area because if I cut across, I'm gonna get wide on my tire. I apologize for the Pocket 3 not getting the correct shot on the last frame. It seemed to be stuck in above mode. I'm not sure if that's the joystick making me mess things up or not. But here we got the boots lit up, getting ready to go out for a morning AM fish run. Lights lit up in the skywise. We have Mr. Swan. He's probably the only one nearby. There's another 2 out there. Normally we're loaded over here. He's waiting for people to feed him. I find this a nice shot. All the lights lit up, looking over the pier and out into the bay and waiting for the sunrise to come up. And I'm simply panning real slow, moving my whole body as I go along. I don't love fast pans. I don't like going like that because it doesn't get the point across fast. So as we left Mr. Swan over there, you can see 1 in the distance and 2 towards my right if I pan over. And here they come, coming in. Now I don't have to really move my hand or wrist that much to get the shot. But you can see they are coming pretty fast towards me. Still low light, it's like dawn, overcast, and very cloudy, and the lights are on behind me, and I'm about 4 feet from the lights going up the pole, but the lights in the background should make this a beautiful shot. Over time, I could talk about a long-term review, let's say 30 days or more, about the OP3, and I'm not yet ready to do that. There's a lot to learn on this very easy to use camera. Gimbal is a 2-in-1, and it does a nice job indeed. Over time, over the years, we progress from going from these Zaptec cameras to, you got it, one of these great cameras that was up on a drone, brought down into the hand with a very small head. And we thank DJI for that. So as I ride down, we'll get towards the light, towards the lights above. Yeah, man, New England clam chowder. Well, this is the place. Yeah. always slow on the bike. You get a nice smooth shot. You could do a lot on a bike. Now that's more like it. An egg, bagel plus coffee, $3. 16 ounce, I hope. I caught up to the team. They're finishing my line. All right. White line. Don't do it. You remember that song, man? I hear it playing in my mind, but I can't spit it out singing. Let's safely get on by. Right on by. Look, I turned it off. So this way, I don't need to move. I don't have somebody eyeing me all the time. It's a feature that you might like to keep on. Yeah, well, you know, I had my nice ride, I had my nice talk, had my nice share. I think I'm just gonna rest on out. Oh, 3 times a charm. The fish may have forgot to hit the record button. But I think I am gonna snooze on out. That's called acting. Anyway, I said a lot, did a lot, shared a lot, talked a lot.